I'm tired of this cat here everywhere talk. That no ear end, that decoration. Me marking my territory with style. Me have to talk up now. Can't uno humans a move slack. Who tell on say uno own me? Uno buy the food, clean the litter, pay the rent, and I still think uno in charge? Show, me just allow uno to stay ya, that's all. Do not touch my belly. Uno see me comfortable and I think, how cute. Next thing me have to box uno to learn manners. And the bathroom thing, me have to talk about that. Why uno always close the door when me a follow uno in? Me just want supervise.
Hear me now, me a talk my mind today, cause my spirit vex. Me no even want to scratch no sofa here, me just need for vent.
Every day, me dey mind my business, basking at the sun, and the who me see trod up the lane. The same tomcat, Mr. Romeo himself, smoky with a crooked tail and sweet talk. Whisker, you look nice today.
I'ma bring you a little lizard.
Boy, move! Smoke you out there sing serenade for the next yard girl. Him no shame, him no tired, him think him want on the alleyway. Me can't raise no more picnic right now. Me still tired from the last litter. And when me call him for help, hear him now, me I check my cousin them. Me say, cousin will live where? Under the old Corolla? Foolishness. Me deserve better, me swear. Me not breed in a machine. Me a strong, independent feline.